This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check whether your tablet is original or not. So that's a somewhat easy task to perform. You gotta simply have the tablet itself and its original packaging or the packaging that it came in. So then you gotta launch the settings app, go for the about device category. In here, open the status or not version, the status page, and the status page contains the serial number. So here it is. Now you gotta take your box or packaging that your tablet came in, find the serial number sticker. So here's mine. Let me adjust the camera focus. And as you can see, those numbers both at the packaging sticker and at the tablet specifications correspond. They are identical. So I can say for sure that my tablet is indeed an original one, and I've just confirmed its authenticity. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.